you want to start over? Let's start over, okay? You're going to be 2 years old in 2 weeks?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, O, S, T, U, V. B, X. I sing.
Yay!
Good job.
Very good. You want to sing a song?
Okay.
You want to sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star?
Or the itsy bitty?
Ready? Okay. You can sing it? Sing it for Mommy.
Itsy bottle. Bye.
You want to sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star?
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Good. A few or a bottle. Like a diamond and that's how. Was two or a bucket also magic diamond and that's how.
Yeah.
Lay down the wood.
Is that what Mommy sings before nap time?
Yeah.
Do you want to sing Frere Jacques?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Well, don't make food. Donald,
Don Lamatina.
Ding ding dong. Do English.
Do English?
Oh, in English?
Okay.
Okay. Are you?
Sleeping. Sleeping. Don.
Brother John.
Don't make food. No.
Is that English or is that the French?
But
That's for the French. Dormez is the French.
yeah.
Yeah.
Did you like that when you say the French?
Mary need a red lamb.
You want to sing Mary Had a Little Lamb?
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Lamb. We add a little lamb. Mary add a little lamb.
Who's please for?
I do.
All right.
And
Mary
Mary went everywhere that Mary went. Lamb was sure to go. Went all to school. Are y'all done singing?
Mom.
Oh, I know. Can you sing Barney's song? Sing it to us.
I love you. I love you. I'm Samantha. Bag of this will be good. Oh, today you help me.
Good job, honey.
More.
More singing?
Okay.
What about Elmo's song?
Okay.
Get started off.
Na 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 na.
Da-na-na, da-na-na-na.
I'm a word.
Yeah. Da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na.
I'm a word.
Elmo's world. He loves his
Nobody.
goldfish. His
Bear do.
crayon too.
Mr. Noodle.
You like the character on Elmo's World?
Mr. Noodle.
He falls down in the book, on a book?
With the book.
With the book.
Yeah.
Which What's your favorite thing to watch on TV?
Barney.
Barney. Oh boy, what do you like the best about Barney?
Baby Back School.
Baby Bop School. Oh boy.
More. More. That's Baby Back School.
You want to talk about Baby Bop School? That's your favorite movie?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, what does Baby Bop do in her school? Does she read books?
Yeah. Yeah.
What book do they read? Little Yellow Riding Hood. That's right.
Riding car.
And when BJ has to dress up like a butterfly, what does he say?
Oh,
brother. Good, huh? Are you all done? Thank you. Mom's gonna hold the bowl. I think you got it all.
All right,
Okay,
silly.
thank you.
We're all done.
Nice.
Alright.
Nice.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Sit down in the chair, please. Honey, turn it off, please.
Say bye.
Bye.
Can you wave bye?
Bye.
Bye to the camera. Bye, camera.
Bye, Meow.